Alright, so here we've got the new MV Agusta Brutale 1000 RR at EICMA. So this is the big brother to the 800. It's a 998cc liquid and oil-cooled inline 4-cylinder motor, and it's good for 205 horsepower at 13,450 RPM and 117 Newton meters of peak torque at 11,000 RPM. This tail section looks incredible with those LED tail and brake lights, and then you've got this 4x1x4 exhaust system. I mean, if that's not Italian flair in its design, then I don't know what is. In terms of riding modes, you've got sport, race, rain, and then custom, where you can set it all up yourself. And it comes with 8-level traction control, wheelie control, launch control, ABS with rear wheel lift mitigation, and of course, a quick shifter. Does that count as a winglet? It's kind of a winglet. So the dry weight of this bike is 186 kilograms, and we've got Öhlins NIX electronically controlled forks up at the front here, look. You can see the adjusters. And then a TTX shock, again electronically controlled, as is the steering damper. The brakes are Brembo Stylemas on 320mm discs, and these wheels are forged aluminium. Love this round headlight. It's LED, of course, and it is corner sensitive as well, so adaptive headlight which will point into the corner as you lean for visibility round the bend. So that's the 1000 RR, but there's another bike based on this platform that they've launched as well at EICMA. This is it, the MV Agusta Rush. Different headlight, a little bit more old school, still LED of course, but yeah, this is a bit more of a premium spec. That's if the 1000 RR wasn't premium enough already. Look at this rear wheel, a carbon disc, really unusual. And then we've got exhaust from SC Project, and apparently that takes it up to 209 horsepower, so an extra 4 horsepower. Some of the other bodywork's a bit different. Look, we've got a round tail light, again a little bit more retro, almost echoes of the Super Veloce there, rather than that big sort of spaceship looking one off the 1000 RR. Little Rush logos there, and then loads of carbon, look. Absolutely covered in carbon. So that's it, the 1000 RR and the Rush 1000. Which one would you guys go for? Let me know in the comments below. Me, I reckon probably this one. It looks pretty cool.